Definition of Chapter 7, Class 5th. Force. It is a pull or push applied on an object. Children, you are seeing in the pic, one boy is riding a bicycle and the second boy tried to stop it. Both are applying pull or push force on each other. Muscular force. A force used by muscles to push or pull an object. So that force is called muscular force. Or we can say the muscular force. So this is the force which is exerted by the muscles. Now in a pic you are seeing a boy is carrying his bag on his shoulder. So carrying bag he is applying muscular force. Magnetic force. A force with which a magnet pulls iron or other magnetic material towards itself. Such force is called magnetic force. In the pic, a magnet, U-shaped magnet. This has been shown and it is attracting iron pins, all pins towards itself. This is magnetic force. Gravitational force. The force with which Earth pulls anything towards its surface. Such a force is called gravitational force. In the pic, children, you are seeing a boy is throwing a ball. The ball this come towards the earth because of gravitational force. Frictional force. A force that acts between the objects in contact with each other. That is called frictional force. A frictional force is the force which opposes the motion of the moving object. Children, you are seeing in the pic a boy is riding a bicycle. The ground is applying frictional force on the bicycle to stop it. Work. It is done when something is moved through a distance. When force is applied on any object and the object moves through some distance, then work is said to be done. Energy. It is the ability to do work. The ability to do work is called energy. Elastic force. A force used to stretch a material that changes its shape. On release of the force, it returns back to its original shape. Such force is called elastic force.